And we're recording. Hello.
Okay.
Cha tôi ngó cổ phải là hậu lắng, the Queen of Tuvalu.
What's your name?
Bill Dill. Hiling thôi đấy.
Alpha tôi ngó cổ salata.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I'm talking. My name is Talusia Saul Haulangi.
Whakawai, Daniela.
Tuku ingoa ko sanga malua.
Tuku ingoa ko nata.
Tôi ngó cổ molia la matula fono.
Weleste Malanga.
Tukingo Tamatoa, I'm also known as DJ Toa. Music Tuvalu is definitely a good push.
Hey, I'm so excited to hear that. It's about promoting the talents that our young Tuvaluans have.
Si mea fo langona neau kai te langona neau se mea ko ka mata ne. Ta lau se wakatalo tō whiawhi mo ko isin tau tino ko loto mahalo si o whakatoka swanga mea pēnei.
Such a great opportunity for our artists to step out and showcase their talent.
It's time for Tuvalu to come up, step up, move forward.
I really support this movement. And there's a movement that's never happened before.
Tena te tau ke au ke. Kolebala ne mafofo ke. Keisi me pena pena.
Se whanonga ngari tēnei se platform da ko whakatino mo te pongai tēnei whai o luksa kasi o tākata kone.
Very capable in doing things, and so I'm looking forward to that.
Ka whailo pa ko expand pa ne, ko mga salolola si te music Tuvalu. Ko ma whaio recognize me ne Beyonce o Jay-Z. Say no, ko lo tato ki Hollywood.
I'm actually really excited to see all the artists because it's a mixture.
Ko uke kai variety as well.
It's a big influence ki lungai ya I tau the young generation.
Some artists, they started singing when I was like maybe 8. So it's really good to see them come back. And then you have the new artists, so it's a good balance.
Wanoanga ngali ki woki. Toi e awaka woki a pese ngali a tātou te me ke usu ke whiawhi woki mātou o nei ko mātua.
Well, I know some people, but I don't really know the others. But hey, but that's what life is all about. The unexpected and the unknown. Bring it on.
Make it extravagant.
It will be great, Mawhai. It's an ongoing event.
It is. Not just good, but very exciting.
Ka whai ka mata, mea loko taulo whatu mau I taimi katoa loi tau sanga katoa.
So it's a good platform for us us Tuvaluans to showcase our talents.
Au lango kilo ki te music Tuvalu ke whakatū mau. And that's what, isn't that the whole purpose of why we're doing what we're doing? It's about sharing the talent and the music with our Tuvaluans everywhere, all over the world. Celebrate who we are.
If we're doing it right, executing it to perfection, then the answer is yes. I don't see why we can't.
As a new way of them like, oh yeah, I can do that too.
There will be more artists that will come out and see it as a way for them to step out.
Ka whai e kawhi ne whenua I dua whai, so why not Tuvalu, you know, like us Tuvaluans. We can do it too.
Moa whaki rato e māga ke whai whaki o awaka te tūlanga Tuvalu I dunga whai tū tau music.
Olo take the music. Tena ho te wala mwhai e olo tato piloto. Ko te tauloto the music. Kai me whai e tato Tuvalu. Olo lo kilungalo. Sei se pono.
We can actually make those hits.
We're gonna have more music on my radio program.
The community Tuvalu e tau support nei the music Tuvalu tēnei me nei ko artist o Tuvalu.
Yes, 100%.
Me te mere nei e awake I whakisei te ingoa Tuvalu.
Siki te la whaitu tāua ki mwhai la o support the event tēnei.
Ki au se saia yo me se pathway ki tau tamaliki ko te mega mawhai oa. O loa ka whuki o loto awaka tūranga o loto tāleni ki lunga ki pagi standard ko nei ko lawen tātou I lunga I whai New Zealand nei.
Kendono nato me te nei au ngā kilo mo the future of Tuvalu.
We really need our own people to push, you know, our artists.
E laski te support ya. A te community Tuvalu kone. So sea me se me mana ko ke. Me whai o support.
Because it's about Tuvalu, and we are all Tuvaluans, so we're all proud to be Tuvaluans, and that's a contribution that we should do.
We are the people that will drive our music, and we're the people that will make other people like our music.
Have that attitude, you know, the can-do attitude. Music Tuvalu is not just about celebrating our own Tuvalu talents within ourselves and our community. It's about us aiming higher than just that. And so I'm looking at Pacific Music Awards, and we do have every year, and the New Zealand Music Awards. We are very capable of being part of that and celebrating and come back with some awards. Why not? We can do it.
Hey yo, what's up? It's your boy DJ Thor on the 21st of September. It's going down to the power station. I'll see you there.